Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, I will make step-by-step animation every 4 single layers. First select this pumpkin and let's go to solo. Go to pen behind, move the anchor point down and click session tool on solo. Let's go for a second. Let's press R, make rotation keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For shotgun you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard and change rotation like this. And go to again 10 keyframes, select first keyframe, copy paste. And select keyframes, make easy, less animation. Okay, select keyframes, hold Alt and move to right for slow animation. Nice. And let's hold Alt, click time icon, go to play button, property and loop alteration. This is expression for loop animation with 3 keyframes. Let's see. Nice. So select these keyframes, let's copy and close pumpkin 2 and select this pumpkin 1 and move the anchor point down and click session tool, select this pumpkin 1 and press R. Change rotation like this. Let's change 10. Make new rotation keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. Let's change like this. Again go to 10 keyframes, change 10. Select keyframes, make easy. Let's animation. Okay, so select this pumpkin 2, press U for C keyframes and select these pumpkin 1 keyframes. Hold Alt, move to right and hold Alt, click time icon. Go to play button, property and loop alteration. For down expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Nice. So let's make someone for these layers. Select these rotation keyframes, let's copy and select these layers. Let's move the anchor point down and click session tool and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay. And select these keyframes, Ctrl C, close these keyframes. Select pumpkin 2 and move the anchor point down. Click session tool and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select this right. We have 2 sides, right and left sides, these layers. I will make this animation with camera tool and let's select this bat 1. Okay, let's press P, make new Python keyframe and let's move it down like this and go to here. Let's move to up and go to here, move to left and go to next keyframe, move to like this. Let's animation. Okay, that's good. So let's select this bat 2, let's press P and again make new Python keyframe, move it down and go to here, move to up and here, move to right and next keyframe, move it down. Let's see. Okay. And let's close keyframe, select this bat 3 and press P, make new Python keyframe, move it down and go to here, move to left and here, move to right and next keyframe, move to center like this. Okay, I like it. Let's close keyframe, select this bat 4 and press P, again make new Python keyframe and move to down. Let's go to here, move to right, go to next keyframe, move to like this and here and next keyframe, move to down. Okay, so select this bat 5, press P, make new Python keyframe, move to left and go to here, move to like this and here. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So select this bed 6, press P and make new passing keyframe, move to down, go to here, move to right and here. Okay, not bad. So let's close keyframe settings. Let's select this layer bed 1 and let's go to solo, zoom to layer and go to first second. Let's use puppet pin tool, add one puppet here, one here and one here. Clickation tool and select this bed 1, press U for C keyframes. We have 3 puppet keyframes. And right now let's go to 10 keyframes. Again, hold Shift, press page down in keyboard. And let's select this puppet, move to like this and this for wing animation. Also select this puppet, move to like this. Let's see. Okay, so let's go to 10 keyframes again. Select first keyframes, copy paste for loop animation. And let's animation. Okay, so select keyframes. Let's make easies and hold Alt, move to left. Let's select work area full 8 seconds. And let's add loop expression. Hold Alt, click time icon, go to play button, property and loop alteration. For down expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay. So let's again hold Alt, click this time icon, go to play button, property and loop alteration. And puppet pin 1, again hold Alt, click time duration, play button, property and loop alteration. So let's animation. Nice, very good. Okay, so guys, I will use some way for other bed layers. Okay, very nice. So let's select these all bed layers. Let's unsolo and let's animation. Nice, very good. Let's select these all clothes layers and press P. Make new passing keyframe and move to right all these keyframes. And go to back first keyframe and first. Let's select this layer cloth 2 and move to up like this, and layer cloth 3, move to up. Let's animation. Okay, and layer cloth 4, move to left, and cloth 5, also move to up, and cloth 6, move to up, and 7, move to right, 8. Okay, let's press S, change scale a bit, let's change scale more, and press P, move to down like this. And select this last passing keyframe, move to up these cloth layers. Okay, that's good. Let's close all clothes keyframes and then go to layer, new, and create null object. I will use fake parallax animation. Let's hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon for move anchor point center. Clickation tool and select these all layers without background and let's link to null object. This is fake camera. And select this fake camera. Let's press S, open scale, make scale keyframe and go to 7 seconds and change scale like this. Let's animation. Okay, and let's make first parallax tip tricks. Select this left side and press P. Let's move to left here and make new passing keyframe. Go to next keyframe and move to left. Let's see. Okay, and select this right layer, press P, make new path in keyframe, go to next keyframe and move to right and move to down. Also select this layer, left side, move to down. Let's see. Okay, so let's select this layer ground. Okay, press P, make new path in keyframe and go to next keyframe and move to down or move to up, sorry. Let's see. Nice, and select this layer ground too. Let's press P, make new path in keyframe, go to next keyframe and move to down. Okay, and select these all layers, pumpkins 2, 1, 2, 1 again, and right side, left side. Let's link to layer ground 2. Nice. And select these house 3 and house layers. Let's link to layer ground. Okay, select this layer ground and go to next keyframe. Select last keyframe and let's move to down a little bit. Nice. And select this layer moon, press P, make new path in keyframe, move to down and go to next keyframe. Let's move to up and go to back, select this moon, hold shift, press S, make scale keyframe, go to next keyframe and change scale like this. Let's say animation. Okay, that's good. And select this layer clothes background and press P, make new path in keyframe, move to down and go to next keyframe, move to up. Okay, nice fake parallax. Let's select this left 3, go to first second and press P, and right 3, press P, make path in keyframes and move to down. Go to here, move to up, select keyframes, move to right. Okay, that's good. So let's select these all layers and close keyframes and right and left sides. Then go to layer, new and adjustment layer. Move to up and go to FX presses, search effect Gaussian blur. Let's use Gaussian blur for adjustment layer. Change blur. Okay, and let's link to fake camera and go to pen tool. Let's make like this mask. This is fake depot field and change blurriness like this. Select the adjustment layer. Let's click M and open mask 1. Change mask feather for smooth feather like this. Okay, and right now select this adjustment layer, press T, change opacity 0 and go to here. In this time, make new opacity keyframe and go to here, change opacity like this. Okay, select this last passing keyframe or scale keyframe, change scale more. Nice, select this first keyframe for adjustment layer, move to left. Okay, nice, select this adjustment layer, open mask and change feather like this. Let's change 50 and change mask like this. Okay, very nice. So let's select this moon and go to FX presses, search effect glow, select glow. Let's use for moon layer and change moon like this. Okay, that's good. Let's see difference. Nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.